You may not know this, but there are two types of affiliate marketing or marketers, and knowing which one you are or want to be is crucial to your success. In today's video, I'm going to reveal what the two types of affiliate marketers are, how they're different, and which one you should be doing, because getting them confused will certainly slow your growth or worse, cause you to fail. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business, and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. On today's video, I'm going to reveal the two types of affiliate marketers, how they differ, and why you need to choose one over the other, at least when you're getting started. To succeed online, you want to specialize in one or the other of these two types in order to get good at one style and grow your income to the point where you can start to consider other options. Now, one of the things that I see that causes people to fail online is trying to do everything at once, especially when they start out. Spreading your time and resources too thinly is the fastest way to failure and not success. And I get it, there are so many people telling you that you need to be doing this or that. And you know, it could be Facebook ads or YouTube ads or blog posts or learning SEO. There are so many things to learn when you're starting out, lots of things to distract you. So my first piece of advice to you today is to be careful with your time and resources. Choose one thing and get really good at it before introducing a second or third thing. Okay, let's get into the two types of affiliate marketing or affiliate marketers. What are they and how do either of them apply to you? So the first type of affiliate marketer that I want to introduce you to is what's called the review style. Often the review style affiliate marketing is associated with sites like Amazon or eBay, but there are many more that it can apply to. The basis, however, of the review style is that you're working or trying to help your prospect to solve decision fatigue. What do I mean by decision fatigue? Well, it's simply providing answers for that person who's searching Google for a solution to a specific problem they're having at that time. They have decision fatigue. So let me explain with an example, unrelated to making money online, but you'll get the point. Yeah, I love wine, and often I find myself at the local wine store and I'm surrounded by hundreds, maybe thousands of choices. And even when I decide which variety, you know, red or white, I've still got hundreds of options. And you stand there and you wonder, how will you ever decide? Well, people are suffering this decision fatigue all the time. And it's why they aren't going straight to Amazon, because they don't know what it is that they want or need to buy to solve their problem. As affiliate marketers, we can help with this problem. Now, I'll preface this by saying that I have not built a business in this style, as it isn't what works for me. But I'll explain shortly the type of person who might be attracted to this style. Effectively, a review style affiliate marketer produces a heap of content on solving specific problems related to a niche topic. This content is normally in the form of blog posts or hosted on a website that you own. These blog posts are written in the style of best blank or thing for blank or thing. Now, if we use golf as an example, you have a busy guy who wants to improve his golf drive to hit the ball longer and straighter, as they're sick of hitting it all over the place. So he's searching for best swing tips for a longer drive, or best driver for a longer, straighter drive off the tee. So he goes to Google, types in the search, and Google provides a list of review style posts of content. Now, it takes hundreds of posts to drive traffic that is ultimately profitable using this method. You need to build up traffic to your site, which comes from getting your posts on the front page of the Google search, which requires hundreds or thousands of keywords in your posts and getting ranked for keywords, so your posts are the ones that show up on page 1. It's important to understand that position 1 in Google search gets, on average, a 40% click rate. Position 2 drops down to just below 30%, and then it drops off quickly as you further down the page. If you're on the second page or later, the click rate is too small to generate any sustainable income. The other issue I see in the review style is that people try to spread themselves out into multiple different areas before achieving sustainable success in their first area. If we look back at the golf example, it would be like trying to build a site specializing in golf and moving into baseball and basketball. There's a lot of work, a lot of posts, and it's very time consuming. So the first thing to learn about the review style is to stick to your knitting. Pick one niche and get really good at it and achieve success before branching out. To understand this point, check out the video I've linked just above for an important lesson on what online marketers want more of that isn't money. Okay, the second type of affiliate marketing that I want to reveal today is called transformation style. The difference with transformation style to review style is that in this example, the prospect's not suffering decision fatigue. Instead, they're looking to do something that's transformative for them. If I stick to the golf example, in this case, it could be the golfer who's new and is searching for how to play golf. Or maybe it's the beginner golfer searching for how to become a single-figure handicap golfer. They're looking to transform themselves. In this case, the prospect's looking for someone or a brand they can trust. It's exactly like this video where I'm giving you information to help you transform yourself as an online marketer. My objective is to help transform you, to take you on the path of transformation. Now, with transformation style, if someone has some success with your content, then ka-ching. They're more likely to come back to your material and look at more of what you have to offer. You've built up the trust factor. The key to success with transformation style is that you want to give your prospect a way to get on your email list. Because once they do, they have some success with your content, you want to have a way to show them more of what you have to offer. Now, they trust you, they're more likely to engage and buy from you. This is different to the review style where they're just looking for a solution to a problem right there and then. They aren't thinking about a transformation of themselves in any way, but just a quick solution to a problem. In the transformation style, the prospect may not be looking for your next post or offer, but because you've built up some trust, they take a look anyway. Now, one of the bonuses of this style is that at first you may be promoting other people's products, but in time you might develop your own products and build solutions for your market relevant to your niche, like I've done with my money management and investing products. While I help people build online income streams, I also have my own courses that help people manage and invest their money and have more of it. My world's all about helping people develop multiple income streams and controlling their money for a secure financial future. One of the ways we do that is to help them build online businesses. If you want to see how, check out the video I've linked above for a free training. Now, I want to caution you from trying to be these two styles or do them both at the same time. As you can see, they're quite different and require different approaches, and I want you to have success with one style before you try to branch into the other, no matter which one you start with. Decide which one suits you and your style, time and resources, and stick with it until it's producing a sustainable income. Remember, the review style makes money from producing content, posts, so getting distracted with other styles will only reduce the amount of time you have to produce content and therefore make money. With the transformation style, remember that the key is to grow an email list because you're going to recommend further offers in your follow-up emails as you build more trust. I get to make additional offers in my emails to help you in your transformation journey. And recognize which style you want to be and go all in. Keep it simple. It doesn't have to be complicated. For example, I'm using my iPhone to produce this video. It doesn't have to be expensive. Decide who you want to help. It could be the golf market and teaching people how to play better golf, or how to cook nutritional meals, or make money online. There are so many options available to you. Now, I've chosen probably two of the most competitive markets online. It's just who I am, I guess. But I chose make money online and money management and how to invest. It's what I'm passionate about, and I believe I can help make the biggest impact with people. And I love it. And that's important too. If you're scared of doing videos like I was at first, then maybe the review style is for you, as you can produce blog posts one after the other without needing to worry about video. You'll need to spend a lot of your time on how to rank your posts to get to the first page of Google instead of how to produce videos. Either way, choose one and go all in to achieve your goal for your monthly income. Whether it's $5,000 per month or $20,000 or more, it's all possible, which might sound crazy to you right now, but it is possible. Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and helped reveal the two styles of affiliate marketing and affiliate marketers, and helped you identify which one that you might choose to go with. So let's do a quick recap of today's training. There are two styles of affiliate marketing: review and transformation. Review requires hundreds of posts that solve decision fatigue, and transformation is more about taking someone on a transformation journey with your topic, building trust over time. Choose one, master it before considering blending the styles. So thanks for watching today's training. If you want to get started with a system that will support you to grow an online business, selling other people's products to start with, click the link below to get a personal training and support from me and access to a system that has thousands of people making a laptop lifestyle income. To continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. And do me a favor, click the like button and leave me a comment below to let me know what you think of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to everyone. I want to hear from you and I want to know whether this training was useful for you. And don't forget, to get started, click the link below to join me in starting your affiliate marketing business and have you earning an income in the first 30 days.